Welcome to the PrintGizmo tutorial series. In this particular video, we're going to talk about managing vendor visibility and product access for brokers. Let's get started. Now from our dashboard, we can notice a change under the user section. We now have printers. From the drop-down, we'll see that we have vendor management. Once clicking vendor management, you'll notice all the printers that are assigned to you as an organization or company. If we go to the far right, we see the status button. Let's use the example that for some reason, maybe a printer is offline, they had some type of event happen, or maybe you're just not using them at this time and don't want them to be included in any quoting or orders. You can simply click the status button to red stage, which will emit or turn off that particular printer until further notice. To turn to printer back on, simply click the switch again to change it to green or active. You can also view the products by clicking the View Products under Actions. These are the assigned products for this selected printer or vendor. At any given time, you can change the status of a product, let's say note cards for this particular printer. You can click on that product. For this example, let's say that we don't want note cards to be quoted or ordered from this particular printer. We can simply go to the Set Printer Status for this product. Click the status switch to off or red to disable it for this vendor or printer, and click Save. The vendor assigned is the sole provider for note cards. Disabling this vendor will also make this product unavailable in your catalog. Click Save again. Has been recorded. Now any orders or quotes for the product note cards that come in will not be assigned to this vendor or printer. Again, since this vendor is the sole provider, the product will not appear in your catalog or storefront. To turn that particular feature back on, click Set Printer Status for this product. Change status to green or on. Don't forget to save and we're all set. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our support gurus. Have a fantastic day and thank you for watching.